In this video, we'll see how we can create wall from line using Dynamo. First, search the node to create the wall. We need a curve here first. For that curve, we are just providing a line here. We already know how to create line and point using Dynamo. So repeating those steps very quickly here. Now run. See, our line is created. And if we go to the Revit, see, a line is here. Now we have to provide level here, searching nodes for providing level. And last, we have to provide wall type here. Now run. See, run completed. No error is here. So wall is created. See, wall is here, but showing as a rectangle because of the short length of the line. So if we change the length of the line, it will show as longer. In this way, we can create walls from polylines also. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.